My name is Aldrich Soria, and you've locked yourself out of the house. You've locked yourself out of your valuables. And you forgot your key. You don't know where it is, you never bothered to find it, and now you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. Master locks are known for their extravagant uses of fire resistance and their overall security and their high quality. So, this should be a little bit difficult, but I think you can get through it. So what you want to do is get your tool here. I think this is called your shimmy, or whatever it's called, and that's not gonna work. Let's turn this. Just like that, it's that easy. Let's put it back in. Let's try again to show that it's not a fluke. There you go. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.